guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wig review. So you guys just watched me install this unit. So a company on Amazon named Donmily Hair reached out to me and wanted me to try out one of their units. So thanks you guys for sending me this wig. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the deets on this unit. So the wig that I am wearing is their long natural wavy middle part synthetic lace front wig, you guys. And this right here is 27 inches. And the color that I have on is natural black, which is 1B. The lace that's on this unit is medium brown. So this right here is what the lace looks like, the color of the lace right here. The texture is really soft, you guys. This hair is really soft, and it's like silky. It's not too shiny, but it does look luster, like it has luster with this wig, you guys. And it does come with combs. It comes with 2 on the side, and it comes with a comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps so you guys can fit it to your head size. The parting on this unit is 4 inches, and it is deep. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So shedding, I have not got any shedding so far. So good, you guys. Tangling, I haven't gotten any tangling. I'm able to run my fingers through this hair just fine. I love the body wave, the wavy look that this wig is giving, you guys. It looks so real and natural. Yeah, so this wig, you guys, is synthetic. Like, it does not look synthetic at all. Do you guys see this? Like, this wig does not look synthetic at all. 27 inches, you guys. Like, you know that I'll try to keep it shoulder length, 16 inches, 20 inches, something like that. But you guys, 27 inches, I really like this wig. 27 inches. It does not come with baby hairs. You would have to put your baby hairs out and things like that if you want baby hairs on this unit. But I must say, I didn't put any baby hairs out, but I must say, you guys, this wig is a win-win. So Donmily Hair, thanks you guys. You did that, okay? You did that. So I'm going to be leaving all the information in the description box below so you guys can check it out. This wig, I think, was about $39 if I'm not mistaken. Do not quote me if I'm wrong. I will leave it up here so you guys will be able to see the right price. It does come on Prime, so you guys will get it really fast. And I did get it fast. I think I got it within like 4 or 5 days. But with that being said, I really do love this wig, you guys. I love everything about it. I love the texture. I love the length. I love the parting space that I got with this middle part wig, you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this review, please give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this unit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, because remember, you guys, sharing is caring. So do not forget that. Okay. All right, guys. Bye.